Hey guys, Brian here from Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through installing your front frame stiffener on your Polaris Xpedition. For the first step in the installation process, you'll go ahead and remove your lower control arm bolts. They'll be replaced so you can set them aside. As well as for our Thumper Fab front bumper, you'll have to remove the lower two mounting bolts, and those will be replaced as well. Before you'll be able to install the main plate of your frame support, in addition to removing the two lower bumper mounting bolts, you'll have to loosen the middle mount for your bumper and pry the bumper shell away from the frame to slide the main plate for your frame stiffener into place. With your lower control arm and lower bumper mounting bolts removed, you can go ahead and install the main plate, sliding it up under the front bumper and locking it into place before installing your front bushing tube bolts for your lower control arm. For the next step in your installation process, you'll have your rear bushing tube support set into place on the front side of the rear leg of your lower control arm. Installing with your long bolt, you'll have your big hole on the top side. Fastening through the bushing collar, through the frame support, and capping it off with a lock nut, making sure not to fully tighten yet. For the next step, we'll fasten our support brackets to the main plate of the frame stiffener using our 4 M8 bolts. With the hardware fastening your support brackets to your main plate started, you can move on to starting your hardware located that fastens the rear of the main plate to the frame using the large washer type piece on the inside. The last step before you tighten all your hardware is you'll reinstall the two lower bumper mounting bolts into the frame using a 15mm socket. Once you have all your hardware tight, your wheels back on, and your vehicle back on the ground, you're ready to hit the trails.